Marketing is the lifeblood of any business. It doesn't matter if you have the best product or service in the world. If nobody knows about it, you won't succeed. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to have a strong online presence. This means reaching your target audience where they spend their time, online. Think of it this way: you wouldn't open a store in the middle of the desert and expect customers to flock in, would you? The same principle applies to the online world. You need to strategically position your brand where your ideal customers are looking. This is where effective marketing comes into play. Marketing is about connecting with your audience, building relationships, and ultimately driving sales. It's about communicating the value of your product or service in a way that resonates with your target market. By understanding your audience's needs, wants, and pain points, you can tailor your marketing messages to effectively reach and engage them. In the following sections, we'll explore 5 key steps to help you navigate the ever evolving landscape of digital marketing and build a successful brand in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing strategy, these actionable insights will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. Before you launch into creating marketing campaigns, it's crucial to understand who you're trying to reach. This is where buyer personas come in. A buyer persona is a semi fictional representation of your ideal customer. It goes beyond basic demographics and delves into their motivations, goals, challenges, and online behavior. Imagine you're selling handmade jewelry. Who is your ideal customer? Are they young professionals looking for unique statement pieces? Or perhaps their parents searching for personalized gifts? By creating detailed buyer personas, you can tailor your marketing messages to resonate with each specific group. Start by gathering data on your existing customer base. Look at demographics, purchase history, and website analytics. Conduct surveys and interviews to delve deeper into their motivations and challenges. Once you have a solid understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Remember, effective marketing is about delivering the right message to the right people at the right time. By understanding your audience, you can create campaigns that are relevant, engaging, and ultimately successful. You have a brilliant idea for a product or service. You're convinced it's going to be the next big thing. But before you invest your time, money, and energy, it's crucial to validate demand. In other words, you need to make sure there's an actual market for what you're selling. The best way to do this is through market research. Start by conducting online surveys. Use social media to gauge interest and gather feedback. Look at your competitors. What are they doing well? What can you do differently? By understanding the existing market landscape, you can refine your product or service and position it for success. Don't be afraid to pivot or adjust your approach based on the feedback you receive. It's better to make changes early on than to pour resources into a product or service that nobody wants. Remember, even the most successful businesses have experienced their share of failures along the way. It's all part of the learning process. By validating demand, you're not just mitigating risk, you're also setting yourself up for success. You'll be able to focus your marketing efforts on a product or service that has real potential, increasing your chances of building a thriving business. Section 4, your digital storefront, building a website that converts. In today's digital age, your website is your online storefront. It's the first impression potential customers have of your brand, so it's crucial to make it count. A well-designed website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for conversions. Start with a clean and modern design. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products or services. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, as more and more people are browsing the internet on their smartphones. Most importantly, make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Your website should clearly communicate your brand's value proposition and what you offer. Use strong calls to action to guide visitors towards desired actions. whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or contacting your team. Remember, your website is more than just a digital brochure. It's a powerful tool for generating leads, driving sales, and building brand loyalty. By investing in a professional and user friendly website, you're setting your business up for success in the digital marketplace. Section 5, Beyond the Boost Button, Crafting Effective Ad Campaigns. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer boost options for posts, promising increased visibility. While these can provide a small bump in reach, they are not a substitute for well-structured ad campaigns. Effective advertising requires a more strategic approach. Firstly, understand the difference between reach and targeting. Reach refers to how many people see your ad, while targeting ensures your ad is seen by the right people. Instead of broadly boosting a post, invest in targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. These platforms allow for granular targeting based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. Secondly, create compelling ad copy and visuals. Use strong headlines that capture attention and highlight the benefits of your product or service. Invest in high quality images or videos that resonate with your target audience. Don't forget to A/B test. This involves running multiple versions of your ad to see which performs best. By continuously testing and refining your campaigns, you can optimize for maximum impact. While boosting posts might seem like a quick and easy solution, investing in well structured ad campaigns will yield significantly better results. By targeting the right audience with compelling messaging, you can maximize your return on an investment and drive meaningful business growth. For more insights, download our free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, at theultimateguidetoAIindigitalmarketing.com.